was here about 10 years ago. They just have the windows cast.
Oh, is this the car that you don't know if
You don't know if you can get out the door. You gotta go see the inside.
First time it's turned into by itself.
Yes, sir. So we were right here.
The ceiling area.
So that's the original engine. Yeah, it's an original. It's a picture of an original engine, but it's an old picture.